Hi, my name is Teara and I'm a licensed massage therapist. I wanted to talk to you about ClinicSense. I absolutely love ClinicSense. I've been using it for about 2 years. The things that I love about it, first of all, is how easy it is to use. I can use it on my iPad, my iPhone, my laptop. I usually have my laptop in my office. I love to get notifications on my phone whenever I'm outside because I'm by appointments only, and I get a little notice letting me know that I have an appointment available, and you can either hit click or you can have it set up automatically. I love that you can customize your forms. That to me is amazing because I actually work in a medical office. People usually the feedback with Google, that's another thing that you can do. The feedback that you can get right away is incredible and it makes you look more professional. I cannot say enough about their customer service. I love their training videos that when they roll out with something new, they make sure that they train you on that. They also have a spot where you can see where they're at making additions, or they can also vote on what they're going to work on next. I guess it's like a project manager of projects, and you can go in and cast your vote. They listen to the consumer, what the consumer wants, and 9 times out of 10, it might not roll out for the next 6 months, but they listen, and most people don't do that. The reports, the accounting, the organization, who's been there, the last time they've been there, your new clients for the month. You can upload doctor notes. You can upload anything that you send them. I absolutely love ClinicSense, and I don't see parting with them anytime soon. And I really do feel like they're family. They take this very seriously, and I just can't believe on how much they improve month over month. The little things may be small to you, but whenever you're somebody that, let's just say you personally see 10 clients a day, or I'm a business owner, this helps my business run so much smoother. It's so organized. So I'm telling you, if you haven't tried ClinicSense, try it and stay with it for a couple of months. I have used others and I like other ones, but this one is like on a scale 1 to 10, this is a 10. So I highly recommend it. Just try it out. You won't be sorry.